Okay, so to make the glam ribbons, we're going to need two sizes of rhinestones, one for the trunk of the tree and the smaller one for the stems of the tree. To make these glam rhinestone ribbons, what I did was I used gem tack to adhere my rhinestones to my ribbon. The ribbon is a ribbon that I purchased prior to Sears closing down. It was on clearance. It's really good quality. I find it's thicker than the ones that I was able to purchase from Michael's. So here I am just putting down the rhinestones um, onto the ribbon, and then I'm going to adhere the other rhinestones to make my pattern. You can do any pattern that you want. I ended up doing 3 different patterns that I'll show you at the end of the video. You guys, so this is how it looks when it's finished. Like I said, I made a couple of different other patterns that I'll show you shortly. So this is how they look. I'm just going to wait for them to dry and then put it on the tree. So this is how it looks, and then we'll show you the different patterns. So this is how I have it on the tree. This is not how it's going to look. I'm going to change it around, and I'd like to invite you to come back and see how I decorate my tree with these beautiful ribbons. Thank you for joining me today and watching as I did my DIY crafts. And if you like what you saw, please like, share, and subscribe. Have yourself a great day.